The Battle of Beans Station was a battle of the Knoxville Campaign of the American Civil War, occurring on December 14, 1863, in Grainger County, Tennessee. General James Longstreet had been outside of Knoxville until December 4, when he abandoned their position and left heading northeast. He was trailed by General John G. Parke, who had just replaced General Burnside. On December 13, General James M. Shackelford was commanding Union forces near Beans Station on the Holston River. Longstreet decided to go back and capture Beans Station. 3 Confederate columns and artillery approached Beans Station to catch the Federals in a vise. By 2:00 a.m. on December 14, one column was skirmishing with Union pickets. The pickets held out as best they could and warned Shackelford of the Confederate presence. He deployed his force for an assault. Soon, the battle started and continued throughout most of the day. Confederate assaults occurred constantly, but the Union forces held until Southern reinforcements tipped the scales. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.